Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, ja. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel That Mr. TV. Today guys, we are in Galina in the parish of St Mary, and guys, we're going to be showing you a beautiful piece of land for sale with Seaview. If you are looking for a piece of land in St Mary with a Seaview, then this may be the land for you. So this lot that we are going to be showing you is located in Galina, as I've said. Galina is in the parish of beautiful St Mary. There you can see the sign for Galina, and Galina is located approximately 30 minutes away from Ocherius, so you're not too far away. It's located 9 minutes from Rockville, and only 11 minutes from Port Maria, so you're very close to the local towns. There you can see the welcome to Rockville, Galina. You're very close to surrounding towns, so you're not far from anything. Alright, so this is as you enter the community of Rockville. We always like to show you a bit of the community, a bit of the surrounding areas, and it's a beautiful area. Beautiful houses here. It's quiet, it's peaceful, and the one thing that really stands out to me every time I come down here is this drive here. So as we're driving down, in the not too far distance, you can see the sea. So straight ahead is the sea. And we like to give you an idea of what the houses in the community look like. As you can see, there are some beautiful properties. There is some building works going on as well. People are building up some beautiful houses also in this community. You think that you be my controller? So here Outlaw is just showing us where the land starts. So as you can see the post that he's just highlighted, and you can see him walking across to show you where it ends. So from one peg to the next, so from one point to the next. And here you can see this, or mind you fall over Outlaw. And here you can see where it ends, okay? So you can see the width of the land. So here I'm going right across just to give you guys a bit of an idea. There we are. So I've just zoomed in there. Yeah. So where you can see the post in the middle, that post and the back of the building is where the land stops. And like I said guys, it is in the middle of two other lots. Now, right across the road is the sea. Now, guys, this is bushed up at the moment. Right here, right in front of the land is bushed up, but the seller is willing to have this all cut down to anybody who purchases. So if you purchase this piece of land, the seller will get this all cut out for you. But right opposite the land next to the land for sale, this is what you see, the sea view. So you can see the sea is directly in front of the land for sale. How beautiful is that? That will be your view every morning. Every morning that will be your view, guys. There's the road, there's the land, to show you how close the land is to the sea. So there's the land in question. This is the land that is for sale. What I'm showing you there, that's the land currently for sale. Cool. Right, so there's the land. There's the land in question.
On the beat, Mr. H.
Okay, we drove a few hundred meters down the road from the land in question, and this is what we saw. We had to pull in, we had to drive up, get out, have a look, enjoy the breeze. Again, if this is something that you're interested in, guys, do give me a call. The number is on the screen. And from here, you can see Galina Lighthouse. So there's the lighthouse right there. We actually have a vlog coming up on the Galina Lighthouse. Outlaw and I went to visit this lighthouse a few weeks ago. So we've got a vlog coming out, look out for that. And again, just to give you an idea of how close you are, had to do a little bit of a spin. Show you where we were parked. And the house that's opposite this part here. And there we are, guys. Now, guys, again, if you're interested, the number is going to be up on the screen. We do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you are looking for a piece of land for sale in St Mary, quarter acre with a sea view, this may be the land.
On the beat.
Uno.